If you like the video, please subscribe Technical PCT channel and click the bell icon to get the latest videos.
Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss integration. Already first exercise is completed. Now we are going to discuss the second exercise. That is integration by substitution method. Integration by substitution method. It is totally depends on trigonometry concept. For example, integral of f of x into f dash of x dx. Integral of f of x into f dash of x dx. Here let this f of x function consider in terms of t. F of x. That means a given function consider any other term. F of x is equal to t. Its a derivative f dash of x is equal to dt by dx. Differentiation with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to dt by dx. It is f dash of x into dx is equal to dt. Okay, na? So integral of f of x into f dash of x dx. This function is considered any other. That is also in terms of x. F of x is equal to t. Its a derivative, that is dt by dx. F dash of x dx is equal to dt. Now it is the integral of, it is we consider in terms of t. F dash of x dx is equal to dt. Now it is the integral of x dx form. Integral of x dx or t dt or theta d theta, all are same. So integral of x dx form. What about integral of x? X square by 2. So integral of t dt is equal to t square by 2 plus c. Again, instead of t, we have to substitute the function f of x. So that is f of x whole square divided by 2 plus c. You know, yeah, this integration by substitution method. Okay, right down. Okay, second one. Integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Second one, integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. Same. So this f of x is equal, consider t. Its derivative f dash of x is equal to dt by dx. F dash of x dx is equal to dt. Same process. So this f of x is, we consider it t. Integral of this function is a t whole power n. F dash of x dx is equal to dt. Now it is the integral of x power n form. What about integral of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So integral of t power n dt, it is a t power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So again we have to substitute, instead of t, it is f of x. So it is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, write down. Second one, second condition. Okay, write down this third condition. Third one. Integral of f dash of x divided by f of x dx. Integral of f dash of x by f of x dx. Same process. This here denominator consider t. This f of x is equal to t. Its derivative f dash of x is equal to dt by dx. Then f dash of x dx is equal to dt. Okay. So then it is the integral of numerator f dash of x dx is equal to dt divided by t. Divided by It is the integral of 1 by t dt. Na? We know that integral of 1 by x dx. Integral of 1 by x is log mod x. So integral of 1 by t dt log mod t plus c. So integral of 1 by t is log mod t plus c. Again we have to substitute instead of t, it is f of x. So log mod f of x plus c. So that is integral of f dash of x by f of x is equal to log f of x plus c. Right down, it is third condition. Okay, ma? Right, next, fourth one. Integral of f dash of x by root f of x dx. Okay, this condition is same for four properties. Denominator, it is f of x is equal to, consider a t, its derivative f dash of x is dt by dx, by cross multiplication f dash of x dx is equal to dt. So it is the integral of numerator f dash of x dx is equal to dt divided by root t. It is the integral of 1 by root t dt. So you know that integral of 1 by root x, 2 root x, or it is converted to numerator, that means t power minus 1 by 2. Then apply integral of x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Or directly it is integral of 1 by root x is equal to 2 root x. So 1 by root t dt is equal to 2 root t plus c. Again, instead of t, we have to substitute f of x. That is a 2 root f of x plus c. Right? This is second exercise. Totally depends on these four concepts, four properties. Okay, na? First one is f of x into f dash of x. Second one, f of x whole power n into f dash of x. Third one, f dash of x by f of x. Fourth one, f dash of x by root f of x. Okay, write down. First, what are the conditions? First one is integral of f of x into f dash of x dx. It is f of x whole square by 2 plus c. Second one, integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. It is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus. Third one, integral of f dash of x by f of x dx. It is log mod f of x plus c. Fourth one, integral of f dash x by root f of x dx. It is 2 root f of x plus c. Okay, na? F of x into f dash of x, f of x whole power n into f dash of x, f of x by f of x, f dash of x by root f of x. These four conditions. Okay, first, for example, already you know that integral of tan x dx. Formula, integral of tan x is equal to log mod secant x plus c. Okay, na? First we discuss integral of tan x. Integral of tan x dx. Integral of tan x. So you know that tan is equal to sin by cos. Na? So sin x divided by cos x dx. This denominator we consider a t. Refer. Let cos x is equal to t. Denominator. What about derivative of cos x? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x is equal to t. So sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Na? Denominator term consider t. Cos x is equal to t. Its derivative minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So here numerator sin x dx is minus dt divided by this cos x, we consider t, that is minus integral of 1 by t dt. It is the integral of 1 by x form. Integral of 1 by x is equal to log x. It is a minus log mod t plus c. It is a minus log, okay, na? Or log mod t power minus 1. It is a log 1 by t plus c. What about the t? It is a cos x. So log 1 divided by cos x. What about 1 by cos? Secant. So it is log mod secant x plus c. Okay, na? Directly formula integral of tan x log mod secant x. How means? By expansion. So tan is equal to sin by cos. Denominator is considered t. Then the derivative of cos is minus sin. Sin x dx is equal to minus t. So this numerator term we consider minus dt. Denominator is t. Now it is integral of 1 by x dx form. That is log mod x. Here the function is in terms of t. So log mod t. Okay. It is log t power minus 1. According to logarithmic log a power m formula, m log a. M log a is equal to log a power m. So it is log t power minus 1. 1 by t. T is equal to cos x. 1 by cos secant. So integral of tan x dx is equal to log mod secant x plus c. Right. Example problem. Completed. Same problem. We can do another method also. No need to this total expansion. Okay, na? This is the second model. Same question, second model. Integral of tan x dx. Tan is a sin by cos, na? It is a minus integral of minus sin x divided by cos x. Minus of minus plus. Now it is by using this concept f dash of x by f of x. Derivative of cos is a minus sign. So integral f dash of x by f of x is equal to log mod f of x. So numerator term it is consider f dash of x. Denominator term is f of x. So derivative of cos is a minus sign. So integral f dash of x by f of x. Formula log mod cos f of x. So minus log mod cos x plus c or log mod cos x whole power minus 1 plus c. It is a log mod 1 by cos x. It is also log mod secant x. Both the same. Write down. Yeah, right. Next, second one. Second example. Integral of cot x dx. Integral of cot x. It is the integral of cot means cos divided by sin. Tan equal to sin by cos. Cot is equal to cos by sin. So it is directly by using third property. F dash of x by f of x. It is a sin x consider f of x. Cos x consider its derivative. Derivative of sin is cos. So integral of f dash of x by f of x form. Formula log f of x. What about f of x? Sin x. So log mod sin x plus c. Direct by using third property. F dash of x by f of x. Derivative of sin is cos by using third property. Log mod sin x plus. Right. Next one. Third one. Integral of secant x. integral of secant x. What is the formula integral of secant x? Log mod secant x plus tan x plus c. Already we discussed. Integral of sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. So integral of secant x dx is log mod secant x plus tan x plus. That is formula we put. So integral of secant x. First multiply and divided by secant x plus tan x. Secant x into secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x divided by secant x plus tan x. Multiply and divided by secant plus tan. Now integral of secant x into secant x. Secant square x plus secant into tan. Secant x into tan x divided by secant x plus tan x dx. Now it is also integral of f dash of x by f of x form. What about derivative of secant x? Secant x tan x. Derivative of tan? Secant square x. So it is also integral of f dash of x by f of x form. What is the formula? Log mod f of x plus c. So denominator total term it is f of x. Numerator term total it is f dash of x. Okay. Derivative of secant is secant into tan. Derivative of tan secant square. Derivative of tan secant. So clearly it is integral of f dash of x by f of x. So integral f dash of x by f of x is equal to log mod f of x. What about f of x? Here secant plus tan. So log mod secant x plus tan x plus c. Okay, write down. Okay, write down next fourth one. Fourth one. Integral of cosecant x. Integral of cosecant x dx. What is the formula? Log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. Integral of tan is log mod secant. Integral of cot is log mod sine. Integral of secant is log mod secant plus tan. And integral of cosecant x dx is log mod cosecant minus cot plus. Okay. Here cosecant x into multiply and divided by cosecant x minus cot x. Multiply and divided by cosecant x minus cot x. Integral of cosecant into cosecant. It is cosecant square minus cosecant into cot. Cosecant x into cot. Divided by denominator term, that is cosecant x minus cot x whole dx. Now it is also f dash of x by f of x. What about derivative of cosecant x? Minus cosecant x into cot x. Derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x. What about derivative of cot x? Derivative of cot is equal to minus cosecant square. But here a derivative of minus cot x, that is a plus cosecant square. Okay, derivative of cosecant minus cosecant into cot. Derivative of minus cot x is plus cosecant square. So it is also integral of f dash of x by f of x. It is log mod f of x plus c. So numerator term is f dash of x. Denominator term is f of x. Integral of f dash of x by f of x. So log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. Okay, na? Right, done. Already 4 properties is completed. Now 4 example problems. Now we are going to discuss exercise. Okay, na? Right. Okay, ma? Right. Next exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. Integrate the following functions. Integrate the following functions. Integrate the following. First one. Integral of 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Exercise 7.2. Integrate the following functions. First one. Integral of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Correct. First denominator term 1 plus x square is equal to consider t. 1 plus x square is equal to t. Derivative of 1 0. Derivative of x square is 2x is equal to dt by dx. 2x dx is equal to dt. Na? So it is the integral of numerator 2x dx is equal to dt and the denominator 1 plus x square is t. Integral of 1 by t dt log mod t plus c. So what about t? 1 plus x square plus c. Okay, na? Or direct application 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. What about derivative of 1 plus x square? 2x. It is clearly f dash of x by f of x form. F dash of x by f. What is the formula? Log mod f of x. Integral of f dash of x by f of x. Directly it is log mod 1 plus x square plus c. Side we have to mention the formula f dash of x by f of x dx. It is log mod f of x plus c. Denominator consider t, then find the derivative. Numerator dx is equal to dt. Now it is integral of 1 by x dx from log mod x. But the function is in terms of t, so it is log mod t. Again t is equal to 1 plus x. Directly it is integral of f dash of x by f of x. Log mod f of x. Right? Okay. Right. Next. Second question. Second one. Integral of log x whole square divided by x dx. Integral of log x whole square divided by x dx. Here log x is equal to consider t. Derivative of log x, it is 1 by x dx is equal to t. Okay, now it is the integral of t square dt. Log is considered t, so it is a t square. 1 by x dx is equal to t. Now it is the integral of x square form. What is the formula integral of x square? X power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is x cube by 3. Here integral of t square dt. T power 3 by 3 plus c. What about t? Log x. So it is a log x whole cube divided by 3 plus c. Or directly apply formula. Integral of log x whole square divided by x dx. It is general application, substitution or applying direct formula. Integral of log x whole square divided by x. It is the integral of log x whole square into 1 by x dx. It is a second property. Observe that integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x. Second property. Integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x. What is the formula? F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. It is f of x whole power n into f dash. Derivative of log is 1 by x. It is the property. Integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus. Okay, it is f of x. It is f of x whole power n into f dash. Derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. F of x whole power n plus 1. So clearly it is log x whole power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 6. Log x whole cube divided by 3 plus 6. Okay, na? Write down. Write down next. Third question. Integral of integral of 1 by x plus x log x dx. Integral of 1 by x plus x log x whole dx. It is the integral of 1 divided by x into 1 plus log x. Na? X into 1, x into log x. Now this 1 plus log x we have to consider it t. Don't consider x is equal to t. Why? Because derivative of x is 1. No use. So 1 plus log x is equal to consider a t. Then derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So derivative of one function must and should be with the remaining function. Okay, what are the four properties? First one f of x into f dash of x. So derivative of f is f dash. Second one integral of f of x whole power n into f dash. So derivative of one function must and should into f dash. Third one integral of f dash of x by f of x. So derivative of denominator is equal to numerator. Fourth one f dash of x by root f of x. So when one function we have to consider a t, its derivative is remaining function. 1 by x plus x log x. X into 1 plus log x. It is the integral of 1 by x divided by 1 plus log x. Now derivative of 1 plus log x is equal to 1 by x. Derivative of 1 0. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now this denominator term we consider f of x. Its derivative is numerator. Its derivative is numerator. So integral of f dash of x by f of x. Third property. Log mod f of x. By using this property. Derivative of 1 plus log x is 1 by x. Now this is in the form f dash of x by f of x. Formula log mod f of x. What about f of x? This 1 plus log x is considered f of x. Okay, log mod 1 plus log x plus c. Write down. Okay, ma? Right, next fourth question. Integral of sin x into sin of cos x. Sin x into sin of cos x. Which term we have to consider t? Here cos x is equal to consider t. Why? Because derivative of cos is a minus sign. Here having only sign. So derivative of one function is a remaining function. So here must and should we have to consider cos x is equal to t. Derivative of cos, that is minus sin x dx. Sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Integral of sin of cos x. This cos we consider t. So it is a sin t. Then sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Okay, na? So minus integral of sin t dt. What about integral of sin? Minus cos. So minus cos t plus c. Minus of minus is plus cos t. What about t? Again cos x. So it is a cos of cos x plus c. Okay, na? So it is sin x into sin of cos x. This cos x is we have to consider a t. Its a derivative of cos is a minus sign. Then sin x dx is equal to minus t. So it is a sin. Cos is we consider a t. So it is a sin of t. This is sin x dx. Sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Minus integral of sin t dt. We know that the integral of sin is minus a cos. Minus of minus a plus, it is a cos of t. Already you know that t is equal to cos x. So it is a cos of cos x plus. Okay, na? Today class is completed. Tomorrow we'll discuss continuation. Okay, na? Daily we have to write one time of integration formulas. Every day we have to write at least one time. Okay, na? At least 2 or 3 days. Why? Because it is a little bit confused to integration and differentiation. Okay, na? Take care. Bye.